Ever noticed one side of your nose feels blocked all the time? You might have a crooked nose bone, also called a deviated septum. The septum is the thin wall that divides your nose into two sides. When it's crooked from birth or an injury, one side becomes smaller, making it harder to breathe properly. It can lead to snoring, frequent sinus infections, headaches, and even poor sleep quality. But here's the good news. A simple ENT checkup or a CT scan of the nose and sinuses can easily confirm the problem. Nasal sprays to a minor surgery called septoplasty, which straightens the bone and improves airflow. Once corrected, you'll breathe easier. Don't ignore it. Get it checked and start breathing freely again.